What's up, YouTube? Thank you for joining me on the Maintenance Man channel. I appreciate you guys. One thing I wanted to say is that we've built a pretty nice little channel here. Can't do it without you guys, and I appreciate you joining. I feel like I've gained a lot of friendships through this channel, both with creators and subscribers, and just I get a lot of positive feedback on this channel, and I can't say how much I appreciate that, and the fact that like we could just shoot the what here and there, and it's all good. It's fun. There's a few things I want to talk about. Apartment maintenance was one of those subjects. So reason why I really liked apartment maintenance and enjoyed doing maintenance was that that's a job that you can get into with not much experience. And for me, that was the case. And I had a young family, wife and a child at that time, a young child. I was working both at a college and a pizza shop. And the college, I was a janitor. Is a union job. Not terrible money, a lot of overtime and stuff, which, it's fine. Bigger paycheck. And a lot of people that were there, you got the benefit of being able to send your child to college, in the future. But also when I joined, you could switch between janitor, landscaping. You could apply to be put into like landscaping, which is what I kind of wanted to do, maintenance or whatever. But then they took that away, the union thing. They didn't want any. Our contract was up. I think in the 5 years I was there, we had 6 different union reps for the 32 BJs. Was not terrible job. Is I did the setups in the ballroom and in the conference rooms and stuff on top of working the cleaning route I had and stuff like that. A pizza shop, I had been there, worked there since I was 18, was there for like 11 years. Anyways, young family, you buy a house, and you want to keep providing and got more kids. And I actually was looking for another job and had applied for this apartment maintenance job and interviewed 3 times. But while I was waiting, I also applied for True Green or one of those companies, Scott's, and they were training me. And the night before I was supposed to start for them, my old boss at the apartment maintenance called me up, said, "You're hired, you start Monday," or whatever it was, that case. And so I called the guy at True Green and was like, "I will not be there tomorrow. Thank you for the opportunity, but I found another better opportunity," which was better, more pay. And what happens in the winter, and I feel like there's a class of about 40 at that True Green, and maybe they get 1 or 2 that stay, I feel. That's a hard sell for sure. So anyways, though, it's not a bad gig. I mean, the guys who do it seem to enjoy it. They're very knowledgeable. I'm not knocking it or anything. But apartment maintenance popped up, and I got in there, and I learned a lot over 7 years, and eventually, became the lead maintenance tech for my part of the company, and a lot of responsibilities were thrown on me, which was fine, but it just got old and a little bit stale, and so I moved on. And what I'm getting at here is apartment maintenance is great because you learn so much if you're willing to learn, and you could go become an electrician or HVAC or plumbing or whatever. And I'm at another little crossroads myself, but I'm working through it. But I was thinking about this crossroads, and the best thing I can tell you is one thing about people in the trades. And you'll see this with, very wealthy people also. They tend to flock to their own kind because, you know, like this person will have a yacht, and this person has a private jet, and this and that, and they pass it all around and share. But when you're in the blue collars, yeah, you might know people with boats and stuff, and which is nice. You make friends. But I always like to keep good friends and contacts in different trades because you never know when you might be searching for a job. So I have a buddy that works for a plumbing company, and I'm thinking of, hopping in there and maybe jumping ship where I'm at and going plumbing full time, and then, can learn an actual trade and HVAC, maybe get into that, or just become like a certified master plumber or whatever. I'm getting older though, so this stuff is creeping up on me. I think retirement-ish age, or like, when my kids are off at college, maybe then I'll start to go out on my own more. I might start building a customer base, within the next few years, just doing small jobs here and there. Mostly just maintenance stuff. Originally I was going to do like remodeling, but and I have buddies that they do their own little side jobs too, and that's another thing that's great about blue collar guys is you just trade your services. So you got a buddy, like I remember when I was selling my house, I'd have people come over and they help really push me to get it fully prepped to sell. And you return the favor here and there, you help them with their plumbing or whatever the case may be, but you kind of just trade your services. It's a great community, especially when you find guys that you could really count on and rely on. It doesn't even have to be guys that you talk to all the time, just guys that when you call them, just like any good friend, if 10 years have passed, you call them up and it's like, you haven't seen each other in just an hour or something. You're always going to be there for each other. So some good things about the trades, and apartment maintenance gave me a great start. I've made a career out of it. I'm not rich, I'm not poor, but I could provide for my family. That's all that matters to me, that the kids and wife are happy, and I enjoy seeing them happy. That's what makes me keep chugging along here. But anyways, it's the contacts. Never burn bridges. Keep contacts, especially when you work maintenance. You get a lot of other subcontractors sometimes that hop in here or there to help out because, a lot of times we're understaffed and we can't get to everything. So, if you make good friends with them and build a rapport with them, I'm not saying like they're going to come over, be your buddy, help you out or whatever, but at least you have a contact. And that always helps, and you always have leads. So just keep your options open, and, always learn from people. And I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support for the channel so much. We do have giveaways coming up here, like right around the corner. I'm going to be on vacation for a little bit, but when I get back, we will get that settled right away, squared away as fast as I get back. So around middle of June. Anyways, guys, again, thank you for the support. Thanks for allowing me to be able to BS and shoot the crap with you guys and just hang out and share, my information and my tools and stuff like that. So have a great day. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.